Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and it's an A Day. Achieve 3000 winners are Lexi F., Annabelle F., and Jackson V. Congratulations and stick with Achieve 3000. Today is the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is a holiday that celebrates victory of the Mexican army over French forces back in 1862. It's not to be confused with Mexican Independence Day, which is on September 16th, and that celebrates Mexico's independence from the country of Spain. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.